the top 5 best 3D printers recommendation. Recommendation number 1. Official Creality Into 3D printer. Into 3 has the ability to resume printing even after a power outage or lapse occurs. It comes with several assembled parts. You only need about 2 hours to assemble 20 nuts well. A graded extruder greatly reduces plugging risk and bad extrusion. V-shape with POM wheels make it move noiseless, smoothly and durable. Only needs 5 minutes for hotbed to reach 110 degrees. Recommendation number 2. Anycubic Photon M3 Max Resin 3D Printer. 13.6 monochrome screen, excellent build volume, can print larger models or print more models at once, bringing you a better resin 3D printing experience. 7K monochrome LCD screen and high-precision ball screw Z-axis rail both make detailed printing experience. The new automatic feeding function automatically feed the resin vat when resin is insufficient and stop when resin is enough. No longer to wait besides the printer. Recommendation number 3. Our Kitty Technology 3D Printer. Kitty Tech X Plus 3D printers, designed by top professional team, combine the highest precision 3D technology and feature the quiet printing, air purification, Wi-Fi connection, which can be printed on kind of materials such as nylon, carbon fiber, PC, etc., and also be compatible with any brands of 1.75mm filament. The X Plus 3D printer kit comes with 2 different types of extruder assembly. The extruder had already been installed on the printer. The max printing temperature is 250 C, and it can works well with PLA. Recommendation number 4. Dremel Digilab award-winning 3D45 3D printer. The Dremel Digilab 3D45 Idea Builder 3D printer is one of the best 3D printer options for printing advanced materials such as ECO ABS, nylon, PEG, and PLA. It is also Dremel's best 3D printer for university use, with an all-metal 0.4mm nozzle that heats up to 208 C, and a removable glass build plate that heats up to 100 C. You can print almost any 175mm 3D filament with ease. The printer is loaded with easy-to-use features. Recommendation number 5. Makerbot Replicator Plus 3D Printer. The Makerbot Replicator Plus 3D printer is the most popular 3D printer for professionals, educators, and hobbyists with a fast and reliable 3D printing experience right out of the box. Enhanced 3D printing workflow features including the Smart Extruder Plus, a full-color LCD display, Wi-Fi connectivity, and Makerbot Print 3D printing software are just a part of what makes the Makerbot Replicator Plus 3D printer the preferred 3D printer for both beginners and advanced users alike.